Nami. Ay.
Namhlanje uyangibusisa namhlanje. Kade ngixoxa noma. Oh. Le imanga ngibona ukhiya ngalo le shirt. Kusasa ngisazi ngizofaka amaphinga manje. Bekhona ngithengele wanginikeza lapha ebengizowafaka. Bekhona oh usuzogqoka wena kusasa mina kade
Yabanda igqoke kusasa yabanda. Mina ngigqoke makushisa.
ngiyashutha phela kusasa ngizogqoka into zami. Hawu.
Oh, thank you, Chef Sharp.
Wow, molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabve Entertainment guys umpumelelo umsile kugqiba ukuposta le video endinibonise yona before ndenze le voice note we poste ku TikTok you guys. Now of course everything ke abayipostayo abakwamseleku we listen with the ear of the gossip how you understand and I am so excited. Zimbini izinto endizipick up from this video. Okay, number one, wow. Umayeni, it does seem as though she has moved in her new beautiful house. Yabona nje everything iyaqhakaza. Goodbye to the yellow houses, okay? Leyo ke bengayibali. Anyways, but number one is the fact that utarumo Samseleko uthe akazukwazi ukunxiba impahla zaphi zakwa Sharp tomorrow because why? Because uzobe eshuta. Oh my gosh, uzobe eshuta ntoni sana? Uzobe eshuta ntoni? It means we are getting season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu. We understand another thing ke sana ayikhavarishleyo. Second thing khona ke le video le ndinifakele yona apha umpumelelo ehambile xa kuba ufaka unontombi imali ke enhloko besiphikisana ko Facebook into ba hayi intobazana yakhe abanye besithi hayi akuyiyo utarumo Samseleku confirm that uqonyiwe apho ebeye khona and ebenxibe impahla zaphi zakwa Sharp clothing. Also another thing guys, ibonus ke lena uTirelo niyamva ke sana uyahleka in the background. Ibo akusemnandi ekhaya. Ujanya Rozoza ashaye nini we guys. Anyways, do let me know your thoughts and I will see you shortly guys. Bye.
Uyabona kade khiya ngalo lapha. Uqonyiwe